So we have product shares for the new mini catalog that's coming out. The catalog goes live, I believe, September 6th. And so I'm taking registrations for product shares. There is a link in the description of this video, and you can register for my product shares. I have an embellishment share, ribbon share, DSP share, a double DSP share, and then the I Want It All is one embellishment, one ribbon, one regular DSP share. And I do have the goodies here to show you. If you get the I Want It All, you're going to get a free container of these super cute little loose holly and gems sequins. Look at those. There's like little pieces of holly. There are little music notes, and then there are some pretty gems. So I'm pretty excited. So you get a free container of those if you get the I Want It All. And then here are the embellishments that come in there. There's a lot of different ones, so many new things, very exciting. Glow in the dark ghosts and bats, you guys, so fun. And then a bunch of sparkly gems. We also have new ribbons, so you'll get a quarter of a roll of each of the ribbons. And here they are in all their glory. We have this beautiful velvety balmy blue glitter. We've got a black and vanilla check that you can color with blends to make any color you want. We have a night of navy and gold glitter. We've got a sheer white with silver trim. We've got an iridescent white. Whoa, that is just so pretty. We've got some calypso coral twine kind of stuff. It's a little bit, it's not like baker's twine, it's a little bit thicker. What are they calling it exactly? Braided linen trim. We've had braided linen trim before, but not in this color. So there's that. Thank you, Mary. She said, give me a thumbs up, you guys. And then we have the Autumn Leaves collection ribbon of the kind of burlap, and then this gorgeous copper. So those are the ribbons. And then we have the papers. Let me get the papers out here. So you get two packages because I couldn't get them all to fit in one. So one of the packages is kind of like what I call the regular designer series paper. So this is the like modern garden stuff into the autumn leaves. And then I don't know the rest of the names of all these things, but you'll get a sampling of all of the papers. They're all 6x6. So look at how fun all those are. And again, the registration link is below. It'll give you all the information of what you're registering for, how much it costs. All the prices have shipping included. And here are what I call these specialty papers. So we have this beautiful Christmassy paper here. There. Oh, you guys are so nice. You guys are really telling people to give me a thumbs up. That's amazing, and I appreciate that so much. These gorgeous papers here. We've got some foil, the melon mambo and the green. So cool. This is glow in the dark. And then we have this oxidized paper, and then you get a sampling of the cards and envelopes. You get the gold ones that are a standard size card, and then the berry something or other ones that are the 4x6. So yeah, you get a really nice sampling of everything that's in the catalog. You do get a few of the gift card envelopes. The only thing I didn't include is the nested treat boxes, because when I was figuring everything out, I had no idea if the nested treat boxes came already assembled or if they came flat. And if they were already assembled, that wasn't going to work in my share, but it turns out that they are flat, but I'm still not including them. So there you go. Link in the description.